How to split a string in Java. To split a string, you use the string split method. Split returns a string array. Passing in no arguments throws an error because you need to pass in at least one argument. Passing in any string that's not in the original string will give you an array containing only what was in the original string. Passing in the empty string will give you an array containing each character separately as its own string. You can also split strings based on other strings. For example, if you wanted to split up the following phone number, 867-5309, you could use split for that. If you pass in hyphen to split, it would return a string array where the first element is the first part of the number before the dash, and the second element is the part of the number after the dash. To wrap up, that string argument you are passing into split is technically a regular expression. This video is not about regular expressions, but just know that if all you're trying to do is split a particular string, then passing in the string to split will work just fine for what you want to do. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.